Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm finna show you how I got all of this for $3.40. Okay, I did two transactions. I did this one and that one. My first transaction was this, and I bought the two Tresemmés shampoo and conditioner. Walgreens have it where you buy one, get the second 50% off. I did the 2X deal, the body wash. You buy one, you get 50% off. You get a $5 registry reward with this one. You get a $2 registry reward back with this one. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. You see where I put on there with the registry rewards that I got back. I had a 5 off 2 digital for the Tresemme. I had a 4 off 2 digital for the Axe, which I'm going to donate these products because we don't use them. So I'd rather donate it to where it can be used. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. My subtotal came to $10.91, which it wouldn't have been that high had I not left my register reward, $4 register reward from Sunday at home. Yeah. Shame on you, Niecy. But I end up rolling $4 in WAG cash, which made my out-of-pocket $8.90. And I got back the $5 register reward here and a $2 register reward here. I rolled that $5 register reward that I got back from this on to my second transaction. Okay, here's my second transaction. I bought the Scott paper towels, the Scott tissue, and the 2 Colgate toothbrush. You can never have enough toothbrush, man. Never have enough. So I know y'all probably saying, that girl stay buying toothbrush, sure do. You can never have enough. I don't know what it is with me and these toothbrushes, but you can never have enough toothbrush, I'm telling you. But I had $1 off digital for that one, $1 off digital for that one. I had a 4 off 2 digital for this, the 2 Colgate toothbrushes. Plus, Walgreens have the IVS, their own little booklet digital that stacked. I got $1.25 off of that one, $1.25 off of that one. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. That's that $5 register reward that I rolled from that Tresemme. I had that 4 off 2 digital for the Colgate. The $1 off one for that Scott. The $1 off one for Scott. And they took the, you see the IVC, $1.25 off each. That brought my subtotal to $5.50 out of pocket. I paid that. And I got back my $4 register reward, which made this cost $1.50, fam. So with me getting my register rewards back off of these products, that made my total out of pocket $3.40. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And starting tomorrow, I will have 4, 6, plus the $4 registry reward that I left at home. Shame on you, Niecy. So I will have $10 going into couponing tomorrow at Walgreens. Give me the thumbs up, fam. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed Saturday. Bye-bye.